The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro is unveiled, alongside the Redmi Note 5 today. It is the first Redmi phone to feature 18:9 display, and dual rear cameras. Since it comes with stellar rear and front cameras, Xiaomi has dubbed the Note 5 Pro as India's camera beast. Like the Redmi Note 5, its Pro variant houses a 5.99-inch, Full HD Plus display, that offers resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The screen is capable of producing highest brightness of 450 nit. The display is placed under a layer of 2.5D curved glass. It features an aluminum unibody design, with tapered rear that weighs around 181 grams. The thickness of 8.05 millimeters makes it the slimmest Redmi phone. It will be hitting the market in color options like black, gold, rose gold and blue. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is the first smartphone ever to be fueled by Snapdragon 636. It is also the first Redmi phone to be driven 6GB of RAM. The SoC includes Cryo. It will be coming in 3 variants like 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage. A 4000 mAh battery, carrying support for 5V charging, is present under the hood of the Note 5 Pro. The handset features a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is preloaded MIUI 9. The dual-camera setup, found on the backside of the Redmi Note 5, features an f2.2 aperture 12-megapixel Sony IMX486 sensor, and secondary 5-megapixel sensor, for capturing depth information. Since it is driven by AI-based deep learning algorithm, that can accurately detect edge for capturing marvelous portrait shots. The front side of the Note 5 Pro features 20-megapixel Sony IMX376 camera sensor, that is equipped LED flash, and Beautify 4.0 for capturing AI-driven beautified photos, based on the skin tone of the subject. Xiaomi has optimized the selfie snapper to shoot impressive images in dim light conditions. Another cool feature that has been added on the Redmi Note 5 Pro is AI-based face unlock feature. It will be made by the end of March. It is equipped with other features like hybrid SIM slot, that supports dual SIM, and micro SD card, micro USB, and 3.5mm audio jack. It will be available on sale, starting from on February 22nd, through Flipkart, Mi.com and Mi Home stores, and also through other offline channels soon. The box package of the phone will include an ultra-slim protective case also.